Hello, David Bradley here from the box room. So I've opened up the other Amiga 4000, and it definitely has more evidence of batteries gone bad, or battery gone bad. So I'm going to try to cut it out with my little side cutting pliers. It is not easy to get in here, but it's coming. It is. It's getting there. Alright, the one end is out, and the other end is not. But it will be. It will be. And it is out, and definitely this battery has more corrosion. And I see on the board also there's little chips here that seem to have some. It doesn't look horrible, but I think I should do something about this. Maybe some rubbing alcohol on a Q-tip. But definitely I see there are 1, 2, 3, 4 little chips that have some green slime. Also, this one, it has one hard drive. It's, why is that? An ST3290A. And I don't know what that means. Warning. Yeah, don't open it. Yes, one thing, though, that is much better on this machine than the other is the front bezel. The case is better on the other. The front bezel is better on this one. The other thing I've heard that people do on these Amiga 4000s is they spray lemon juice. Now, do I have any lemon juice? No, I don't. But maybe I need to get some. Because this one does not fire up. It does not. But it does sound like the drive is coming to life. I suppose one thing I could do, if I was brave, and I have to decide how brave I am, would be to try, and I was always thinking about this, to try these, whatever was in this, in another machine. I would bet, looking at this, that how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Well, this has 2 rows of RAM, and the other has 5. More like fully populated. It is. But I'm looking at everything else. It looks much the same. It does. So let's just see. It's funny over here in this other machine. There is a couple of cables running here. Oh, okay, that's the floppy. That's the hard drive. Why are they running from there, sissy? Maybe it was easier to run that way. Maybe. I mean, what I could do right now is I could yank, I think. Oh, I see. It's a whole mounting thing here. I could yank the cables off this and undo the screws. And take out the hard drive. Whoa. Because I think that's how this goes. So I think now the whole hard drive will come out. Look at that. And there's this tape on here, but I have no idea why. So I imagine now I imagine now that to test this out and see what is what, so I could unplug the hard drives from here, I think. And if I can get the cables so gently out, and I can, but then I could take this thingamajigger I could and plunk it down on top of here and plug in the power. And would the cables reach? And they would. And I would think that I should be able to see if this drive is working. I would think. And if it would boot up the machine, however it would boot up. Let's see. I hear things. Oh yeah. So, hard drive working. Now, how big is it? Let's get the mouse and see. Alright, so it's 76% full. Epson scan tool. Interesting. So maybe this was used in someone with a scanner. Alright. Programs. CCTV. Ooh, professional page 4. D-Paint 4. I'll go for the max. See how it goes. Okay, maybe I should not have. Maybe that's too big. Quit. Save changes. No. Alright, let's try that again. Let's just go into low res. Yep, that's better. Alright. We're getting there. We are getting there. So, from what I can tell, 3 working hard drives. I am going to go look for. Well, I suppose I should look for some lemon juice, but I don't. I know I don't have any. Anyway, I think at the moment I'll let this just sort of sit here for a bit and do its thing, and maybe I'll write to the fellow and tell him what I found so far, and we'll see you again soon. So live from the box room, David Bradley here. Bye for now.